Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Lo Percy Tau bafethu. As an Orlando Pirates supporter, I'd like to teach abantu izinto ey'bhayo. This is Percy Tau bafethu. Before abomfukeni, abonkotha, abo-TLB, we had Percy Tau playing for i-Sundowns. The best bundle of joy I've ever watched ngamehlo wami personal. Okay, fine. You see Percy Tau wanamhlanje no-Percy Tau wa-8 years ago, they are not the same bafethu. You know why? Percy Tau had to change his style of play kaningi. Percy Tau left Sundowns to Belgium. He had to change his style of play and adapt to the Belgium style of play. Yes. After that, move waya ku-EPL or Brighton or nakhona he had to change his style of play makafika ku-Brighton. You see, he had to change his style of play makafika ku-Brighton. Makasuka futhi wasuka ku-Brighton waya kuphi e-Egypt, Al Ahly. Nakhona he had to change his style of play. All those things happen in a space within 10 years. In 10 years. Yabo. So that's why manje singathi Percy Tau asiniki next makasegroundini. Percy Tau, because the boy has changed style of play kaningi. In 10 years udlalela ama-team more than 4 or 5. In 10 years, in less than 10 years, udlalela ama-team ayi-5 or ayi-6. So bafethu, ibani lenient ku-Percy Tau. Ibani lenient. Yabo. Nihloniphe le. This was the first bundle of joy bafethu before abomfukeni. This one. This is the only guy who has 3 Champions League medals like South Africa. Apart from Pitso Msimang, he's the only guy. And I wish Kaizer Chiefs ngabe bemsayinile Chita. Experience nje. It's key. It's key. Thank you.